सौम्या सरकार और आप देख रहे हैं Redefine ब्लॉग. In today's blog, we'll be talking about a evergreen fund of small cap is called SBI Small Cap Fund. I think this is one of the best small cap fund available in the market. So it was very old fund, but they have this kind of funds have defined the small cap industry mostly. So लास्ट वीडियो में हमने जो दिखा था कनाडा रेबेको स्मॉल कैप फंड, इस वीडियो में हम बात करें एसबीआई स्मॉल कैप फंड की. एसबीआई स्मॉल कैप का जो बेंचमार्क है वो भी निफ्टी स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स ही है. लास्ट फंड में भी निफ्टी का स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स जो 250 इंडेक्स होता है वही था, इस बार भी वही इंडेक्स है. इस फंड का जो एयूएम है वो है 12,825 करोड़, विच इज अ ह्यूज एयूएम. In a small cap thing, usually the AUMs varies between 1,000 crore to 4,000-5,000 crore. But over the period of time, SBI has come with a AUM of 12,825 crore, which is phenomenally big AUM in terms of small cap. It has happened because the fund has performed so well, so people was ready to put the money into that fund. आज के दिन में एसबीआई स्मॉल कैप आपका एक सर्टेन अमाउंट के ऊपर सिर्फ एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता या लमसम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता, बट स्टिल विद दैट काइंड ऑफ रेस्ट्रिक्शंस आल्सो दिस फंड हैज अ फैबुलस एरिया. फंड का जो पी है वो है 30.20. दैट इज स्मॉल कैप के लिए स्लाइटली एक्सपेंसिव है, बट पी यूजुअली हम 18 से 20-22 को ही हम चिप पी मानते हैं. 30 इज स्लाइटली ऑन द हायर साइड, बट ये उतना हायर साइड नहीं है क्योंकि स्मॉल कैप का कभी कभी जो पी है वो 40 के ऊपर चला जाता है, उतना हाई नहीं है. फंड का जो पीबी है, प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू है, वो 4.89 है. अगेन हम 4.5 से ऊपर प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू को हायर मानते हैं, बट 4.89 इज स्टिल इट इज स्लाइटली हायर साइड but not that higher side considering a small cap fund. Tracking error जो है वो 9.23% है और information ratio जो है वो 2.13 है. Now, if you look at the chart, you will find that fund has a drawdown of a big drawdown from January 18 to June 20, जब COVID का टाइम था. And after that, the fund has recovered and there are hardly any drawdowns. Only the drawdowns came something between March 2022 to approximately July 2022. इस drawdowns जो आप देख रहे हैं, उस drawdowns में मतलब इंडेक्स से उसने अच्छा नहीं कर पाया, लेकिन overall it has done, and you see that July 2022 onward the fund has recovered very fast. If you can see the last portion of the graph, you can find that it has recovered and it is scaling a new high. So that means the fund manager in the drawdown has worked very well and recovered the fund from the slowdown. Now, if you talk about the fund position over time, which we have written, it has increased the debt proposition. That means the fund is expecting that their market will fall and they can buy something. It has increased the exposure in chemicals. It has decreased the exposure in capital goods. It has increased the exposure in retail and decreases the exposure in textiles. So if you're looking at this fund, it has approximately Vedant Fashion, Sheila Foams, Fine Organic, Blue Star, Vigor Industries, Navin Florent International, Rajratan Global, Lemon Tree Hotel. So if you look at the stocks they are holding, they mostly holding are good stocks. Now if you look at the standard deviation, the fund has a standard deviation of 23.47. Sharp ratio is 1.08 and Shortino is 1.14. So this fund has, these are all the data which has been given as a backdated. That means after there is a movement of the fund, we can understand that whether it is changing or not. So this is, you cannot say this is a bad ratio for the fund. It has given an alpha of 7.26. That means इसने market को 7.26 के बिट किया है. That means if the Nifty small cap index has given a return of 100, it has given a return of 107.26. So this is the difference in a alpha. Beta is 0.76, which considered to be a very low in terms of small cap. Small cap usually high होता है, but 0.76 का बीटा का मतलब है फंड ने उतना रिस्क नहीं उठाया जितना रिस्क वो उठा सकता था. So fund manager played slightly conservative way, but still managed to beat the index by 7.26. Now, 1 year return, if you look at the fund, is approximately 18.56, which considered to be a good return. Usually, आपने कोई भी फंड लेते हो वो 30% देता है या 40% देता है वो अलग बात है, but usually जो रिटर्न आता है वो approximately 18 to 20% ही आता है in the longer run. So, this हिसाब से the fund has given good return. In 3 years, the fund has almost doubled the money. The 31.68 into 3 would be considered to be the absolute return. In 5 years period, it has approximately given 19.16% annualized return. 19.16% with a consistency of 5-year holding, considered to be a very good return. So definitely this fund over the period of time has proven itself and given good return. But in the next video, we will compare with Canara Robeco small cap and SBI small cap to see which has gone slightly better. But we will definitely think that this is one of the best fund. As I said in my every video, you should not invest the money based on whatever I am giving you as a technical thing. You should talk to your financial advisor, or you should do the research by yourself and decide your risk appetite and time horizon to invest into a small cap fund. And based on that thing, you should take the call that whether you would like to invest into SBI small cap fund or not. But without taking a proper research and without taking a proper guidance, we will not recommend you that based on a YouTube video or a WhatsApp forward, you should invest the money into these kind of funds. So these are the things which I talked about, which is again available on the public domain also. Some things may not be available on the public domain to some extent, but most of the things are available. If you have any queries, you can write it to us and you can send us the questions. We will try to answer it. If you like the videos, you please subscribe to the videos. We will come up with this kind of analysis of funds on a regular basis. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.